The puzzle punch can be used for various titles, mats, borders, or accents to a page. Towards the end of this video, I'll give you a list of page titles and phrases for layout themes where the puzzle punch would work for you. Now, for titles, it's easy to just take the puzzle pieces, add them to a strip, and then of course with your ultra handy multi-tool, add your stickers to your page to create a title. Just like so. Creating a dynamic photo mat using your puzzle punch, you're going to punch out your pieces. If you're going to do a 4x6 photo, you'll need 10 to 12 punches. In my case, I'm working with a little 2x3, so I only need 6 punches. Now normally when you're putting your puzzle pieces together to make your punch, if I went and connected them as a punch out in the block, my edges of my mat will have bumps along one side and the divots on the other sides. But what I want to see on mine is the knobbies all the way around my mat. So what I've done is I'm taking my pieces and I'm laying them, I'm going to do a double mat, so I'm laying them on another piece of paper for my photo size, and I'm just sticking down my pieces on the paper so the knobbies are all sitting outwards. So my last 2 pieces, my little adhesive there, are just going to sit down 1 and 2, and because my photo is then going to cover all my little pieces on the inside, when I mat the whole thing down, it gives me that nice little puzzle punch knobby effect on the whole page. Great to add to your layout like that. Of course, the puzzle punch can also be used to create decorative borders, which you can easily add to a page. And, of course, extra pieces can be used as accents. Now, little tabs on a page. A quick reminder, if you have extra bits of paper and you want to add tags, your banner maker, if you slide any piece of paper up to 3/4 of an inch inside the banner maker, just center it in there and give a little punch, it will easily make your extra tabs.